Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL family. Today we are going to see about one of the most asked interview question in SQL. So let's see what is the question and what is the answer for that. So the question is, does creating a primary key constraint always create an index automatically? The answer is yes, but not always. So we can see. So now I'm going to create a table called as EMP and the table having two columns, employee number and employee name. So now I'm going to create that table. So table created. Now I'm going to make a primary key for the table. So I'm using alter statement to make a primary key for EMP number. Okay, now EMP number as a primary key for this table. Now I'm going to check user constraint table for this EMP table. So we can see constraint type is P. P means primary key. So primary key is set for this table. So we can see user index. We can see in user index table whatever index created for this table time. When we are going to create a new table, that time we can check from this table any index are created automatically. So we can see. So here uniqueness, the unique index is created. So the first, this is first scenarios. Scenario 1. So first scenario, unique index is created. So we'll see second scenario. So now I'm going to create a same table like EMP1 and having same columns. Okay, now table created. Now I'm going to create an index for EMP number column. Okay, so index created. Now I'm going to create a primary key for that EMP number column. Now primary key is created. Now let's check user constraint. What is the primary key is created for this table? See, primary key is created for this type. Let's check user index. Any index is created for this table while creating time. See, uniqueness is non-unique. That means unique index is not created for this scenario. That means, so this is the answer for this question. Does creating a primary key constraint not always create a unique index? It's a partial. Maybe based on scenario wise, it will create or it will not create. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel to get more information like this kind of interview questions. And please comment me if you have any query related things or concept doubts. Ping me please. Thank you all. Bye.